So guys, I'm really excited to look at the Thunder Purple variant of the OnePlus 6T. And there we have it. It looks amazing. The color is really nice, subtle, very classy. It's really not loud. I mean, I thought at first that, it's going to be a pretty loud and bright color, but actually it's really not. And, I think it's going to work with both genders. There's nothing too feminine or masculine about this. I think it's a pretty neutral, good looking color. And it kind of reminds me of, when I used to play Need for Speed Underground 2 and I used to really pimp up my cars with chrome metallic finish. I think that's how the OnePlus 6T looks. Really fabulous. And quickly getting into the box, you get the smoked clear case with the box. It's the same one that you get with regular OnePlus 6T boxes, but putting it on the Thunder Purple edition might not be a great idea because it sort of kills the color. So I would recommend that you get an absolutely transparent clear case for the OnePlus 6T. Everything else in the box is pretty much the same. Your regular documentation, you get, the dash charger, you have the Type-C cable, and you get the Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter as well. What's also really interesting is that they've taken the gradient all the way to the edges. So the entire design and the color grading is very natural and it seamlessly lends itself to the edges as well. And I think it's really perfect in that sense. And to give you a better sense of how this color really looks outdoors in bright sunlight, I thought, I'll bring this up against a really bright colored wall that I have here so that the colors really pop out and you get a really good sense of how the color looks overall. The gradient is beautiful. And when sunlight falls on this directly or any other light, you see this nice streak of light that it's really zappy and it looks like, a flow of energy on the rear panel. Really nice, really energetic. I love it. Another thing that I really like about the Thunder Purple edition is that it does not attract any fingerprint smudges or it does not even attract any dust, unlike its other color variants like the mirror black. That's because, there's a really nice matte finish. And trust me, this is still glass and it's amazing that, they've been able to give this kind of a feel and effect and texture to the back of the device. So yeah, you could go ahead and smudge your fingers as much as you want. You're not going to get any fingerprint smudging on the rear panel of the Thunder Purple edition. And to validate my point, here's the mirror black OnePlus 6T and it's placed next to the Thunder Purple OnePlus 6T and you can see the difference. There's already some dust that's on the rear panel and you can see that just moving my fingers around leaves quite a bit of mark. And just a close up to really prove my point here. So yeah, it is a bit of a hassle to maintain the mirror black edition, but when it comes to the Thunder Purple, you're not going to have these issues with this edition just because, you've got this really nice soft matte finish at the back and it just does not attract any fingerprint. But yeah, I mean, if you do keep your mirror black edition clean, it looks amazing. It's really sophisticated, very classy. I really love the mirror black edition, but yeah, just comes with the hassle of keeping it clean and maintaining it a little bit more. This color comes in only one variant which packs 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. There is no other option and it's priced at $41,999 along with of course the mirror black and the other black color. So overall I think this is a fabulous color. The gradient looks phenomenal and it's really nice. I love it. And if I had to get a OnePlus 6T with the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, I will get this color in a heartbeat.